Oh, another issue I've been facing on this FX50 is the lack of most of the interior lights. They do not work. Map lights, all the backlighting here on the center console, things like that are not working. I mean, I still have the screen and the gauge cluster, they light up. But it sounds like the most likely culprit is the Illumination Control Module, which is down under there. I have already checked all the fuses that could have caused this, and they were all in good condition. So I went and bought a new used control module. Went to install it, and this is the one that was in the car. I don't know how well that's going to show up, but that is a whole lot of blue corrosion in there. And wouldn't you know it, it's all over the wiring harness as well. I cleaned this up already, hoping I could salvage it with some electrical parts cleaner and deoxit. But then this wire broke off, and I got a closer look at it, and it's just green. So rather than trying to salvage what is almost assuredly a corroded mess, I just bought another Illumination Control Module, and this one I'll return the first one. So I just got done putting all of those crimp butt connect. Looks like I hit the record button. Anyways, picked up another pigtail from another car with the corresponding module. There is no corrosion or funny business in there, nor in here. So I spliced on a bunch of butt connectors. Now I'm going to snip off the original crappy one and put this one on, and cross my fingers this solves my lighting problem. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so that was rather uncomfortable, but I'm done, and ba-da! Interior lights work! That is very, very excellent. I'm so happy that worked, because if it didn't, I would have kind of been at the end of my troubleshooting capabilities. So yeah, I didn't really explain. Clearly this had water damage down here before from the leaky sunroof drain guy that's over there. Previous owner had already installed a used BCM because the original one got damaged due to water. Unfortunately, in this case here, for the Illumination Control Module, it wasn't just the module that was damaged, it was also the wires, and I guess part of the harness, where that one wire pulled out or snapped, was bad as well. But I am so thankful a new harness fixed this, and I finally have working interior lights. That is one thing checked off my to-do list for this car. So, hope that helps somebody.